How about your brother snoring? Any change?
Yes, he snores a lot.
Still?
He snores, yeah. Not a lot, but better than before.
Better than before.
Better than
Okay, keep it up and make sure you counter check him.
Yeah.
If you can work
Sometimes
on.
he even like talk to himself.
When?
At night,
Ah.
he talks to himself.
What did he say?
I don't know, he like all of a sudden he'll shout and I'll just wake up. He will just shout, I don't know why.
Oh, okay. How often is that? The shouting?
Not often, probably like just once in 2 weeks.